Hey guys, good sure making more videos again. In this video, we're going to talk about the Model S door sills. I absolutely love LED door sills, but the problem is I don't want to deal with the headache of actually installing them. There are too many wires and rarely plug and play. But I guess in this instant, Elon Musk said, let's make it plug and play and completely wireless. As you can see, that's the original door sill right there. They look great, but they're not LED. And I have no idea why I absolutely love LEDs, but if Tesla is selling it on their website and it fits in my vehicle, I'm getting it. First step, you're going to use your burly hands and just manhandle it and take out this part right here that is housing and protecting the door seal. No tools, guys. The next step right here, you're going to find these white tabs on the bottom and basically push the white tabs down until the door seal actually starts coming out. Never in my life I thought door seal install was going to be this easy, but this video is definitely shaping up to show me that it is that simple. And now we've come to the hardest part of this entire install: removing the dreaded stickers. If you actually like peeling stickers, let me know in the comment section below so I can pin you as a top comment and everyone can ask you why. Once I spent half of my life cleaning the stickers, it's time to actually put it back into place. Give it a little snap here and there. These are just clips, don't be too hard. Be a little bit gentle, but firm at the same time. Next, we're going to take a look at the actual Model S door sills. They're exactly the same, except the new ones have the LED in there, ready to go. Now, you might be asking, well, if they're wireless, how are they lighting up with LEDs? And the answer is simple: it's battery powered. The vehicle is actually battery powered, and so are the door sills. I've read many reviews. These last for years, so I have full confidence that mine will last for at least 2 years. Put the door sill in there, press it down, and you are literally done. Now, to activate these door sills, you're going to need this magnet, and this magnet actually sticks underneath of the door in a specific position so that when the door closes, it turns off the LEDs, and then when it opens, the LEDs turn back on. And they stay lit for about 10 seconds or 15 seconds, I'm not entirely sure, but it's a long time so that you can open the door, get in your vehicle, show off to your friends, and let them know that you did not pay an arm and a leg to get this installed. So we are at the bottom of the door right here, and you can use a template to actually stick the magnet into place. And once you stick the magnet into place with the 3M tape, you're good to go. And now it's time to see your work in action. Honestly, I love these 5-minute mods that just change the look of the vehicle. Look at that. It's such a simple mod, takes 5 minutes on each side, and the amount of awesome comments I got from my Tesla friends made this all worth it. They really thought I had this professionally installed. I had them installed in a shop and had the guy charge me about $1,000 or so to wire it up and everything. And I just told him, nah, it's on the Tesla website. It's plug and play and completely wireless. And they just look absolutely gorgeous at night. I don't know why I love LEDs so much, but they just make me happy. And no pun intended, they really do brighten up my life. If you want this easy mod, the links are going to be in the description section of the video below. But that's my show for this video. Catch you in the next video. Just here saying thanks for watching and peace.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's incredibly sharp as well, guys. The camera does not do justice. And then we go back here. Look at that. So incredibly sharp. Best 5-minute mod. It took me a minute for that one and 4 minutes for this one. Easiest mod.